Ah, for God's sake. Forgot a bloody spoon to stir me coffee with. Rookie error. Knobhead. Well, welcome back yet again. I mean, look at this, look. Sunshine. I'd certainly endorse it. This has been in very short supply. We've had nothing but rain, rain, rain. Same as everybody else in the UK, really. I've only got a couple of hours because I've got to go and pick grandson up again from school. A couple of hours just to scrub them tyres a bit more, or that tyre, sorry, on the back. But I also want to try out this bloody this jetboil I've got. So we'll have a coffee while we're out and we'll give it a go. I've got me Nescafe latte in the sachets, got 2 of those with me, and as I've just mentioned at the beginning, forgot to bring a bloody spoon, so screwdriver it is. I've also got to get myself a metal cup, one that won't break with all the bumps I'm going over. Hopefully me granddad cup in my top box won't shatter, otherwise it won't be any coffee at all. Right, one thing I have noticed, I said the other day that I've put on weight, didn't I? I think my head's got fat too. Helmet feels a bit tight too. I really am turning into Shrek. We had another good live stream on Sunday. It was about 3 minutes late to parade, so I had to turn up with a note from my mum explaining why I was late. So I wanted to try a new sat-nav today called Stegra, and that's something that Paul at Cable Adventurer is recommended. Now, I planned a route on it, that's pretty straightforward. But what I couldn't do, I'm trying to save it into a folder, but for some reason it wasn't showing up, so I'm gonna have to do the thing that we men just don't do and watch the instructions, I think. Dum dibbity dum dibbity dum 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 dum. Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Well, that's working. How weird. So the mic was still recording of the camera, but it wasn't on Float 32. How lucky are we, look. Beautiful. What's that saying? In England's green and pleasant land. Oh, and the smell of fresh country air. That's shit to you city dwellers. Everybody out walking, look. Should we? Whatever not. This is a little back road that cuts across. Now, it was a bit nippy last night because it was nice and clear, and it wasn't frost this morning, but it wasn't far off. Now this road, I would imagine, is going to be shitty as hell. He says, why on earth did you come this way, Nigel? I don't know if the camera's picking that up through the bushes, but you'll see why if you get a chance to have a glance through to there. Oh my life, look at it. Oh well, we're washing the bike off later then. It is lovely though to be able to jump on the roads like this, nobody about. Watch your queue of traffic come round the bend now. Yeah, I think you're right, Tom. No need to go green laning when the roads are like this. There you go, look, proper Dorset roads. Grass down the middle. This bit here always gets shitty as hell. It's just a constant runoff. I was watching one of Kieran, Northwest Biker. if you're not subscribed to Kieran, I'll put his channel up on the screen now, and the link. Go take a look, give him a subscription. I'm sure he'll subscribe back to you. I watched one of his videos and he was test riding a Ducati. I think it was the V2. I put a comment, and he said put a comment there. Your good points, your bad points. So I said, good points, Ducati. Bad point, it's a Ducati. There's good and bad with everything. That's basically what I put. They've got their quirks the same as Beamers have got theirs. But what should we call him? Some bellend put, what a useless comment. And I thought, well, why? And I actually replied to him. I said, well, it's a fair comment because they do have their problems. They have their good points, same as anything else. But no such thing as a pointless comment on YouTube, because it all helps the algorithm, doesn't it? As long as they're commenting, that's showing involvement, and I presume helps the algorithm. So no such thing as a useless comment, really, is there? Broken down there. Now I can remember when I used to cycle up here. It's a long old slog up here. Much nicer when you can fly up here like that. Shall we? Yeah, fuck it. You got an adventure bike. You'll get it covered in shit. So yeah, you're right, Tom. These are pretty much fucking green lanes, aren't they? So the signs are open. So it's not saying closed because of flooding. Now all of this gets underwater completely. Even the cricket pitch. Now I bet we'll see traffic along here. And they don't bloody hang about either. Ideally I want to be over that side so they see me earlier. Aha! Flood. Is it? Is it? Because this is your low point.